Hello friends, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. We're looking at the flip face James and flip face talking James. So I don't know if somebody else already done this before, but let's see. And I want to say something really that get my attention. Here's the thing. If you have noticed here, this talking flip face James is a little bit taller than the normal flip face James. Let's put it side by side right here. Then you can see it's a little bit taller, a little bit, the height is a little bit more than the normal flip face James. Now the tender obviously will be longer. See, from the flip face talking James, you can see it right there. Obvious reasons. The design is a little bit bigger than the normal flip face James. Now this one takes 1C battery, and the flip face talking takes 2 AA batteries. Now here's another thing that I noticed. It's a little bit wider. This part right here is this what, I don't know what you call this. I think it's the firebox. I think, or is it inside? I don't know. But this area right here, it's wider than this. See, notice right here, a small area. Actually, you can compare right here by this wheel arch. I think it's wheel arch. I'm not really good on these parts, guys. But anyways, on the name of these parts. Now, let me tell you something curious and something really important also. The wheels on the flip face, normal flip face James, are gray. See right there? Even it's made by Hitoy Company, 2006. The wheels, all wheels on the including the tender, are gray. Now the talking flip face, the wheels are black. See there, you can see it. Let's put it side by side so you can see right there. Black wheels on the flip face talking James, and on the flip face normal James are gray. Also the levers on the flip face are the color matches black with the wheels, and the flip face, normal flip face, it's red right here. There you can see the flip face wheels. What other thing I can tell you now? Even this was made dated 2009. Hitoy Company is from Hitoy Company right there. I don't know why they put the wheels on this this color configuration. I have no idea. Maybe it's because they decided to. Or I don't know, maybe, I have no idea. Just let me know in the comments, guys, in the comment section. You guys know more than me. Now let's put the faces side by side. The rest, it's almost the same colors, everything. Now it's the same face. I mean, in the mold they use is the same for the angry face you're seeing right here. Now the only thing changes on the flip face on the left, talking James, it's does have some red marks, and the eyebrows are thinner and longer than the one on the right. That is the normal flip face. The pupils on here are closer, and these are a little bit bigger. See right there? But they even have the same mouth. Yes, it's the same. They use the same. They only change the expression on the eyebrows. That's what I think. Now the face, the other happy face, as you can see, also they use long and thin eyebrows, and these are short on the right side. They have the same mold, and I think it's a little bit darker, the one on the left. The skin color on the face is darker. Now the pupils are a little bit bigger, and the left on the right are a little bit smaller. So they did a little change on the expressions right there. You can see it. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't know, maybe you guys know more than this. I don't watch a lot of these videos. Now, these are freewheeling until the switch lever engage. You engage the you put the on switch to the on position. Sorry. Anyways, then the wheels will move. So there it is working, properly working. Nice model actually. These are probably seen this sold for $90 on eBay. I think 90 or 90 or $80 on eBay. You know, prices change because of the time or whatever the availability. Now this, of course, it remains locked. The wheels remains locked until you turn the switch to the on position. See right there, they are locked. So I'm just dragging the wheels right there. Now there are two switches. There is actually one switch with two functions. Right here is in the off position, right in the center. And if you turn it to the left, it says "Try me." Of course, it will not work. It's just for you to turn the levers and switch the face right here.
Mind my paintwork. Spare parts are dirty, but I don't mind. It's important to help friends. These spare parts will be good for repairing Hero. I'm James. I'm a splendid red engine. Mind my paintwork.
So on this position on the left, where it says "Try me," the wheels will not run, will not turn until you turn the switch to the right, where it says "On." And of course, when it passes through the track with the these little prongs, I'm gonna call it prongs. I don't know what you call. It will make it switch the face, and then it will speak. Or will say the phrases, whatever you want to say.
Spare parts will be good for repairing Hero. Spare parts are dirty, but I don't mind. It's important to help friends.
So I do not have those tracks in hand. I have them on my storage. But anyways, it's just a
I'm James. I'm a splendid red engine.
closer look comparison. Is that the right word? Sorry guys, remember I am a Spanish guy. But anyway, here we notice there are 4 wires. The yellow ones are for the flip face.
These spare parts will be good for repairing Hero.
Switch right here. Here is something that I noticed. There is some mercury inside of these toys. I'm gonna show you guys one of these days. There's actually on this face right here, there is inside a magnet. Inside the face there is a magnet. When you turn it on, the mercury is pulled or pushed and then activates, makes contact with the little piece of metals, right, like this. The mercury goes that way and this way, and then activates the switch. Now the other 2 wires, blue and brown, I think, yes, brown, those are for the electric motor to work, to make it run. And well, that's pretty much what I want to show you guys today. It's just a comparison about these 2 engines. It's a little bit the torquing is a little bit higher, a little bit wider. There you can see it's a little bit wider right here. And the faces, the only change, it's the color and the eyebrows and the pupils, same model. And the length of the cab or roof, it's a little bit tiny. Let me see, it's about 2 millimeters longer than the right there. You can see, what is it right there? Is it the same? It's 1 millimeter longer than the normal flip face James. Well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and see you next time. Bye.